All right, welcome to the 24th episode of the Daily Shed. All right, so the technique is normal tremolo is upstrokes, like that. So what I'm doing in this technique is and I'll show you on one string first. I just use my middle and my index finger, and I'm going downstroke, downstroke, then upstroke, upstroke. So down, 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 up, up, like that. And without too much effort, you can get going and get just kind of all the speed you'd ever need. Just by doing the down, down, up, up, like that. And you can apply it to chords as well. I find it really useful because your fingers aren't doing that much. It's not a difficult technique once you get the coordination down. You know, you're not wearing out your fingers, but it's a nice way to get a nice tremolo, especially on the chords. Makes a pretty cool effect. You can also do it with rest strokes, and this is something that is difficult for me to do when I have my longer nails on, when I have my acrylic nails. If I'm using natural nails, this is easier. But you're doing basically just rest strokes. And if you're a classical player or you've been trained, you'll know what that is. Where you're actually resting on the next string. But you can do the same thing with the rest strokes. Down, down, up, up. Again, with my longer nails, it's a little harder to do this with the rest strokes. You can also do it on bass strings. Or even full chords. Again, so I'll just down, down, up, up. You definitely need at least some nails with this. I think your raw fingers probably wouldn't work well, but if you have nails, it's a fun technique. So, hope this is useful to you. I should say a few notes about practicing it. As with everything, start out really slow and get your downstrokes going first. You want them to be super regular and get used to perhaps doing 3 first. Middle finger, index finger, and up with the middle. Down with the middle, down with the index, up with the middle. So it's middle, index, downstrokes and upstrokes. So just start out slow like that, and then gradually increase your metronome to get a nice speed going. Alright, let me know any questions or comments you might have, and thanks so much for watching.